Hey, just a few quick tips on how to use Udemy's user interface to get the most out of this course while you're taking it. First of all, if you have any questions while you're taking this course, go ahead and hit the Browse Q&A button here at the bottom of any lecture, and that will bring up the Q&A window for this lecture. And there's a good chance that whatever your question is has already been asked by somebody else and already answered, so you can browse through previous questions associated with this lecture here. And if you do have a new question, just hit the Ask a New Question button, type in a title in as much detail as you can, and Sundog Education does have a staff of people who monitor this every day, so you will get a response back within 24 hours if you post a new question here. Also, if English is not your first language, or if you're in a noisy environment where it's hard to hear and keep up with what I'm saying, as you're playing videos, there is a speed control here you can use. By default, it's 1x, but you can slow that down to 0.75x or even half speed if you want to, or you can speed it up if you just want to go faster too. So remember, that's at your disposal. Also, you can also bring up a transcript here that actually has the actual text of what I'm saying, so you can follow along there as well. Or alternatively, you can hit the captions button, the CC here, select your language, and that will actually have captions for you that actually let you follow along in text with what I'm saying as well, so that can help reinforce what you're hearing too. Very handy tools there. If you're having any trouble with the streaming of the videos, click up the gear icon here and you can select different resolutions. Auto is usually the best choice, but you can actually slow that down or make that a lower resolution if you need to in order to make sure that it streams more efficiently. Also, don't be taken aback if you see a prompt from Udemy to rate this course very early on. If you're just not ready to leave a rating yet, there is a Ask Me Later button there at the bottom that you can hit, and you can come back to it later on. Please hit that button if you're not ready. Don't just hit some random star rating to dismiss the window, because every rating counts and it really impacts my ability to make more courses for you in a very direct manner. So please leave an honest review when you're prompted, and you're always welcome to update that review by editing it from the course dashboard as well. I hope those are some useful tips for you for getting the most out of this course, so let's get back to the course itself.